Today, I want to chat with you about something that's on everyone's mind, the current real estate market in the beautiful Northwest. Hey there, it's John Hurlbut with the Altitude Homes team, and whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, I wanted to give you all something to chew on, your June 2024 Northwest real estate market update. We all know that the Northwest is one of the most desirable places to live with its stunning natural beauty, vibrant communities, and fantastic quality of life. But what does that mean for the real estate market right now? Whether you're a seasoned homeowner thinking about upgrading or a first-time buyer ready to dive in, there are a few things you should know. Let's jump into some key points that can help you navigate this market like a pro. First off, inventory is tight. Homes are selling faster than hotcakes at a lumberjack breakfast. If you see something you love, don't hesitate. It might not be there tomorrow. Next, prices have been on the rise. According to recent data, home prices in the Northwest have increased by about 8% over the past year. Experts predict that by the end of 2024, we might see a more moderate increase of around 3 to 5% as the market begins to stabilize. For sellers, this is an amazing time to put your home on the market. The demand is high and buyers are ready to make strong offers. Just remember, presentation is everything. A little spruce up can go a long way. And buyers, don't get discouraged. Yes, it's competitive out there, but with the right strategy and a dash of humor, we can find your dream home. It's like dating. You might have to kiss a few frogs, but we'll find your prince or princess. Now, let's talk about interest rates. As of now, the average mortgage rate is hovering around 7%. The good news? Economists are forecasting a slight decrease, potentially dropping into the 6s by the end of 2024. So, if you're considering buying, keeping an eye on those rates could save you a good chunk of change. And remember the strategy that I talked about? We have strategies to get you into the 5s or even 4s right now. So if you're waiting to buy until interest rates come down, let's chat. You may find it's worthwhile to buy sooner rather than later. Finally, whether you're buying or selling, work with a seasoned professional who knows the ins and outs of this market. And hey, if you need someone who's got the experience, the training, and a few good jokes up their sleeve, you know who to call. Oh, and I should mention too that if you're thinking of buying or selling outside of Washington, I have an amazing network of referral partners all over the globe that I can put you in touch with, and I'm happy to make the introduction. I know those folks will do just as good a job for you as I will, and I'm happy to put my name with theirs to get you connected. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need some real estate advice, feel free to reach out. Remember, I'm here to help you navigate the market with confidence and maybe even a little fun along the way. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep dreaming big. I'm John Hurlbut with the Altitude Homes team, and I'll catch you at the next one.